Weche mag thieth podi board mar Nairobi Hospital kwedo weche maliekore ni lakteche mag kar thieth margi ni ng'anyo. Giwacho ni onge notis mar ng'anyo moro amora ma osemigi kod lakteche gi ka gimedo wacho ni chenro magi mag thieth dhi mbele ma onge chochni moro amora. Ka giloso go jofwambo giwacho ni jogo ma yudo thieth kanyo kik bed kod luoro moro amora e yudo thieth kaka pile. Odiochieng' manyoro lakteche kokalo e riwruok mano mar KMPDU nochiwo milome mar dhi ng'anyo e ndalo 7 ka gidwaro board mar osiptal no mondo mi ogatao.
Have people who are striking. We have consultants who will give a platform to do their business. The people who are yesterday at the gate are not our employees. I want to make that very clear. Our employees are very well looked after staff who will hardly not go to any other clinical center in this country other than Nairobi Hospital. They are very well looked after. They are above what you had over there, and they belong to the Nairobi Hospital.
We have not had, as an institution, any formal complaint from our local doctors that they are being mistreated, they are being underpaid, they are being overworked. When you have individuals who are hired guns out there making statements on matters private institutions, while they should limit themselves to the arena of public institution, you should listen and look at their statements with caution.